Hi ladies, so I just wanted to show you a little handy tip with the Fibre Plus mascara. So I've done this eye, okay, I've not got any on this eye. So, comes in 2 tubes. The bigger tube is the transplanting gel, the smaller tube is the fibres. I have shown you this before, but I haven't shown you this little tip before. So what we're going to do first of all, it is a fall slash effect, but so quick it's ridiculous. I've done my bad eye to do, so I'm just going to do the good eye. You can't see that very well, can you? So this is a transplanting gel. This has natural eye serum uplift in it. You can use this just as a mascara on its own if you wish, and it actually encourages your own lashes to grow. Okay, so as you can see, that's already, now you want plenty on, okay. Like so, and before it's set, if you do get any on top of your eye, just wipe it off. That easy, because I usually end up with loads there. Put that back on. These are the fibres now. Okay, and you put those on. I'm trying to stay in focus for you so you can see. These stick to the gel, and these make your own lashes 400% longer. Hypoallergenic, water resistance. Okay, can look a bit clumpy when you get the fibres on, but don't worry when you put the gel back on. Right, and instead of using a curler and to dry them quickly, here's what we can do. Excuse the Rapunzel hairdryer. We use the hairdryer. Curl your eyelashes with the hairdryer. And then once that's set, put another layer of gel over the top to seal them in place so the fibres don't come off. Like so. I know I've got a fabulous mascara face. Okay, and then just give them a little hair dry again. Excellent, apart from the fact that your hair goes all over. Your eyelashes are now curled and dry. TTFN for now. Thank you for listening. Bye.